When it comes to full-size pickups, the GMC Sierra 1500 ranks right near the top, with the high-end Denali trim coming in as the benchmark for luxury in a truck.
Simply put, it's got the goods. It has for a long time, but even the best can always be improved on, and that is exactly what GMC is aiming for with this latest version of the Sierra.
The flagship vehicle has been given a complete overhaul for 2019, and the end result is sure to satisfy the appetite of truck buyers looking for something new. The Sierra is chock full with features you won't really find in any other truck. Like all new pickups, the Sierra 1500 just keeps getting bigger. This next generation is longer, wider, and taller than before. If you like big grills and a robust style, you're going to love this redesign. Plus, the Denali comes with enough chrome to be seen from outer space. The headlights have been given an angular style, and the entire front end has a large and in charge feel. The body has more of a straightforward flow to it, as opposed to the boxy design of the previous generation, but only slightly, just like the wheel wells, which have gone from square to less square. The back end looks way better in my opinion. It's got a rugged, more high-tech look, and you can never go wrong with dual chrome exhaust.
It'll definitely garner some attention with its good looks, but what really makes the Sierra stand out is all the high-end tech available in this thing.
New for 2019 is HD Surround Vision, which gives you a bird's eye view of the truck with multiple camera angles. This comes in pretty handy when trying to navigate tight spaces with a vehicle this big. Another great addition is the streaming rear camera mirror, a first for the segment. It can be used as a conventional mirror or display the view from a rear-mounted camera, which greatly improves your range of vision back there. You can even zoom in and out, move the view up and down, or adjust the brightness. The Sierra is one of the only pickup trucks with a heads-up display. It's a 15-inch multicolor HUD that can show all kinds of stuff like speed, navigation, and off-road information. GM has added a new trailering app for the 2019 Sierra. It doesn't matter if you have years of experience or hooking up a trailer for the very first time. This new app is designed to make the whole process a whole lot easier. You can create individual profiles for all your different trailers and do things like a pre-trip checklist. You're able to do it from the infotainment center or from a smartphone app.
Granted, some of this tech is available on the top Chevrolet Silverado trim, but the GMC offers three things you can't get on the Chevy or anywhere else really: the Multi-Pro tailgate, the Carbon Pro cargo box, and adaptive ride control.
The Multi-Pro tailgate has gotten a lot of the spotlight with this new truck, as it should. It's pretty cool and has 6 different functions. You can use it like a primary tailgate that can be lowered from a button on the tailgate or inside the truck. If you need a little extra length, you can set it up to help prevent items from sliding out the back. Then there's Easy Access mode, where the inner gate folds down, allowing you to reach further into the box. You can also use it as a full-width step, allowing you to get right up into the tailgate, which makes loading stuff way easier. This thing is also built tough, with the ability to hold up to 375 pounds. Plus, there's a handle if you want a little extra help stepping up. You also have the ability to turn the inner gate into a mobile work surface. And finally, an inner gate load stop, which prevents stuff near the top of the pickup from sliding out. Not only does the Sierra offer best-in-class pickup volumes, but GMC says the optional Carbon Pro cargo box is the toughest truck bed the company has ever built. It's going to resist dents, scratches, and corrosion better than any other pickup on the market. There's also more tie-down spots than before, along with available LED lights and a 120-volt outlet. The continuous damping adaptive ride control might just be the one you come to appreciate the most. It uses a series of sensors that monitor the road and vehicle dynamics to adjust the damping in real time for a smooth ride. Like butter, baby. It also has a weight sensor in the truck bed that will adjust to be stiffer and more stable when hauling around a heavy load. The Sierra is built to handle a variety of situations, and you can select different drive modes like tow haul, off-road, sport, and tour. The redesigned interior looks and feels great. The center stack has been modernized, and so has the driver display, which will now even show you the posted speed limit in the area you're currently driving. The Sierra has all the connectivity options you'd ever need, like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB and USB-C ports, a 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless charging. There's also navigation and OnStar, plus a Bose premium audio system. And another small detail I'm glad has finally been added for 2019, push button start. You can get two-way heated and ventilated front seats, along with a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, and dual zone climate control. The redesign also gives backseat passengers the luxury of heated seats, a few USB ports, and rear vents. Your whole crew will be rolling in comfort. The increase in size overall means a cavernous interior, with plenty of space for passengers and stuff. There's 3 more inches of legroom in the rear seat of the crew cab. Just like the Silverado, you also get these backseat cubbies for a little extra storage space. The Sierra actually has a ton of places for storage in the cabin, including dual glove boxes. There's also way more room for stuff in the pickups. As mentioned earlier, they offer best-in-class cargo volumes, and even the corner step bumpers are larger to accommodate boots. When it comes to engines, the Sierra still offers the beefy 6.2-liter V8, which is now paired with a new 10-speed automatic transmission. There's also the more than capable 5.3-liter engine, and both those V8s can be had with dynamic fuel management, a system that can run on 2 to 8 cylinders depending on the driving situation to optimize power and efficiency. The 4.3-liter V6 engine is still available, plus 2 new options for 2019, a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4 and a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel. It's available in 6 different trims, including the always popular Elevation and the brand new AT4, which has a factory-installed 2-inch lift kit and more off-road oriented tires. In fact, any trim level, including the Denali, can be ordered with that 2-inch lift right from the factory. And if you're looking for advanced safety features, simply add a driver alert package that gives you systems like low-speed forward automatic braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, front pedestrian braking, and forward collision alert. More stylish, more spacious, and filled with more tech than ever before. This redesigned Sierra is better in every way and will likely appeal to anyone looking for a new truck.